Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial on drawing letters with a brush pen. And this tutorial is especially about the capital letters. Now what I've done here is I've placed all of the letters of the alphabet on my drawing sheet. And now I'm using the Cally brush. And of course they have two sides. I'm using the brush side. And I'm taking a purple to show the difference between the small letters and the capital letters. Now what is very important, just as by the standard brush letters, is that all upward lines are thin and all downwards lines are thick. So here I'm going up and down heavy. Here for the letter D I first draw in that thick pole and then just make a curly edge around that pole. The E is well, kind of in a mirror reflection of the letter B, and so on. Now here's the H, and that's very beautiful. And all the letters are still very simple. But now and then you want to draw in words that start with a capital letter. So here is your basic capital form for starting to learn drawing those capital letters with a brush pen. Now later on, of course, you can make more ornaments on your letters. But it's very important to first have a basic form for every and each letter. And try to make a lot of these studies. So first draw out the standard letters and then place your capital letters next to them. And well, get acquainted to them. And it's just very much fun to do. And look how nice those little curly lines brighten up those letters and make them stand out from the small writing letters. Here is my last letter, and now let's try a small word like have fun. First I draw in the capital H for have, and now I make a capital F, and then I place the smaller letters next to them. So I would say have fun on this study. I hope you will give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in my next tutorial.